Mommy, sure.
I always want to do things right. So I am not perfect, but I did am not sure for problems. Just imagine, yeah, so below by the last time. Imagine embarrassing me in public just like that. My father forbid you more, and that's what we told say. Why should actually the next house I'm on for a provision if you didn't know more.
So bad, so why would you say so long? You're correct. No,
it's not about so you're correct. I mean, said yeah or no, yes, and I understand him perfectly.
So why will you understand him?
Why
So
would
lied to me. What charming troll. If I'm not a kind person, I was not so below to me. I told him, I said, put yourself in my shoe.
I can never put myself in your shoes. In a sense, and I say, put your own throw, now do a bar. Come with Jai. Na me ba bi show there. That's a different thing. But only by manity.
Me didn't say at all. Me to Beyonce dem wo. Me no so nim say me to Beyonce dem at all. At all ti na me kan tell you. At all so offer wo ho. At all offer wo ho.
Yo. The me from back say am some beg to. Jamaican penis. You listen, just give me some time to clear my mind of few stuff. Which I say, nah, let's see how things will go. Because now on this, because I may.
Atutie, me need so bolo enjoy because of the BIO. Me need enjoy because he lied to me. Oh, charming draw. It's not about anything.
But as someone who cannot just say, and I'm so not. It's a
way now. And me cram it to Beyonce. They want me so long to diamond. I told him, send me door. You know I love you.
Listen, if you do, it is not about say I love you or something. Just give me time to think. It's like you are telling me you are going. If I want to tell you I'm leaving, I can't blame. Nothing will change it. But Jamie Pachene say, give me time to clear my mind off.
What? So what do I do?
Eh?
If I give you that time, I mean, what do I do?
What do you do, I say? What do you do? So no benefit.
I'm telling you the truth.
Because the last time if we can here, and one is so blue, I started and me sabi me boom I wouldn't want Obit is so blue. No, or becoming him some times. And this kind of people, baby, you shower misbehaving. You have no idea. Maybe I'm in a fair phobia now. Now you could share so below. You think, sir, your year on all time with it. On it.
I told you, me 50 I see.
It's not about saying me. I didn't make a similar cousin and came using me new 50 and going. Eh? The person may not bet you will finish them. Who's using a new 50?
Need new be. I told him my worry. Into so much of me anyway.
Now our
meaning into them. Oh, he brought me. I didn't mean can't show you. Maybe I want to cry. What would be I told my country?
You didn't tell me from the beginning.
I know.
I didn't know.
That was my wrong. My power chat to me if I check me.
Because to be very much sincere with you, Sanka Minimpa say, I wouldn't have gone far with it. Seriously. Because me Sanma Mariamano, I may be paid. Me Ankasama Fabi Moon pain. And I know how it is for a woman that you trust or you have your destiny all over. Now, I feel all of a sudden, Mama, I turn out to be another thing.
So, me tea me ya. Some now can I be tea pie? Me tea me drop it.
A painkiller, no.
So,
a painkiller, no. You, Jamaican, just give me some time. I'm very, let me clear my mind.
Maybe I am crying. Maybe I am so below here.
His expression is feelings.
I am not staying.
The guy is heartbroken, and I understand him perfectly.
So when you mean so below next them,
yes, so below over.
Meaning you will be.
You're on the back.
Jesus. I don't even know what to say. Sobolo na de me back room I say. Sobolo dada me. Many Sobolo knew what being before I even met you. At all. Na me peche was Sobolo dem. You share when I met two if you walk Beyonce dem wo.
We are meeting here by Beyonce. So she knew all these things. And yet she pushed me into it. I didn't know her, but I'll find time and handle it. Come on.
That is what you want to say.
No.
It's a minute so but that's not until minute
be a girl and be a year you'll be ex. But the kind of person that's so below yellow, I wouldn't want to fall in his lane. Now so below no. Nya sem and can also below between my name and market but Casas who not the last.
Oh, you're cratchy. Oh, no, you're cratching.
That exactly.
That is the
That's
difference.
my point. That is my point. And because of that, I don't want to have that banter with him. Meaning could not be being sharp baby now on Becky can answer me.
It's that to me see me feel. So below no worry me. You me feel way. Oh, they are so afraid you. What do you matter?
So there. Big day, I will still keep in touch. She fell and I'll let you know. Why?
That means it's over between us, right?
I never said it's over. I said give me time to think about it. Thanks.
Nana Pia, right?
Yeah, my name is Nanika.
Wow, the way I'm mentioning the name, it sounds so succulent. I hope you remember my name. Oh, you don't remember my name?
No, I don't.
I remember, telling you my name the other time.
I think I forgot.
Oh, come on. My name is Afo Tati.
Afo what?
Afo Atadi.
What?
Atadi.
Atadi.
Hey.
Wow.
You are brofulizing my name.
What? Atadi?
Yeah, let's take it like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can call me Papa C.
Papa C.
Yeah.
I think I prefer that
You
one.
prefer that one?
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. I deal in oil. I'm an oil dealer.
Wow.
Yeah. Forget about my appearance.
Oh.
Yeah, I decided to, disguise myself and, for that, I'm preventing myself from thieves. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, thieves are very, very dangerous. They might come and attack me, so I decided to be, dressing like this. But I'm not a smoker, I'm a businessman.
That is very nice.
Yeah, I'm capable of, getting a very nice apartment and, staying there.
Wow.
But, I decided to, just manage that place.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, then what do you do?
Oh, true. I'm actually a student.
You're a student?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What are you studying?
I'm reading maths.
Maths?
Yes.
Hey, wow. I remember those times, I think, I studied homology.
What? Homology is maths.
No. Homology is maybe the government have changed the syllabus.
Homology.
Yeah.
It's in science.
It's in science. Yeah, science. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, science. So I finished. I completed KNST.
What?
KNST.
What is KNST?
Oh, you don't know KNST?
No. What is it?
Kwame Nkrumah University.
And you said what?
KNST.
No, that is not KNST. It's
UST. Yeah. He's my friend. Yeah.
Fine.
What kind of my friend I do? Say my delay oil. Oh, say my children say, Oh, I was just trying to,
I like penny sir.
Penny Baraka.
Beyonce crown, slave queens or more slave crown pono. Oh, sick and own the other guy or local school. One sound.
Did that propose? I didn't propose.
Oh, invest in an interest or your penny or your
Mampelo.
No, banana sold in the fifth year now, but over your
Sam Machiano.
Oceano,
Machiano now, my fan.
Oceano.
Yeah. Don't worry, okay? She's just a friend of mine.
Oh, my section we
Wow, really?
Yeah. Don't mind them. They are all not correct.
Brofuno want me and cabin to me, my father. Hey,
you better catch him talking to me or on your papa.
Oh, that's a young child. lady.
If you know I put BS, I just have one. Make my dad say come make a one. You know what?
What is what?
It's want to pamper.
Hey, Pampa.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, Pampa, ya cro.
No, make a pamper.
Bam bam.
Yeah.
Ah, you want to have a
Yeah,
thing with...
yeah,
oh, okay.
On your papa.
Oh,
Mrs. Stone, we
alright.
I will be and I'm in Shaman. The last time you speak English?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
What can ya?
That's a man because I am and there's something here.
Okay, Nana, don't worry.
Don't smile, okay? Don't smile.
Some other time.
Don't you know?
Alright, so I'm leaving.
All right.
Take care.
Bye.
Catch you later.
Alright.
Who catching laid at that? Who catching laid at that? I don't know to ban sister. Ninja go on with Mabako no better one.
We're not on your call.
Why I couldn't better one. The one Africa can't be any no. I don't remember
I'm in the party or
anyway.
Or university.
Or invest when you go invest the Missing one in now. The giant old church, one in now. One in now. I don't know.
Why, yet, G.
And one now for baby, not what about such one on an internet.
For sure. To see no me no my therapy dog.
I don't think customer for 1 hour. We do it 2 hours. I don't come no cool fucking. Come on, how you know every night. Chame bra ni akwa na tibra. Eni na tibra. Bra ya ba yan fa ha bra. Bra ya fa ha.
What's it?
Ya ko wan. Yan ko.
Yan fa ha.
Yan fa ha yan wu mi akwa na tibra. Alu ata ngo ni.
Mame. Sure.
That guy in the this was say that me who be put that. Hey, Fantine.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Mami na we. Ya me do. Stay me home, mama.
Ah, money madam.
What off? Papa plan to say. Ya me do.
Them pennies this.
Eh, dear. Me ba be worry o me kunu.
Oh, okay.
No one can tell me.
Hey, Fantine.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Hey,
Na drusa.
the sister na be ma worry for the yanchia me sir.
Oh, okay.
Why? Okay. What do you
The date near the way.
Date no. If you have 4 GGs kakra. Mo GGs kakra de man ni.
If you have 4 GGs card them someone found worry.
There be as a
contribution. Na sa wale nyamba so na mo GGs card man.
If you have 4 pro.
Bra man in chire na aba ne kon ho ne de obi chire.
Oh, sister, TVP here.
Okay. My baby, bye.
Be you no fi o. Be you fi. Be you fi. Ah 1 2 awari. Be you no fi o. Ha e be ya.
Info kura.
E be ya say. Ube tu wonu na ba na me. Ano so e dan.
Mane suit ni mo pe wat me sel.
Adai.
Na ka me pese wo fra wo na wo fo na ko mo beja so ntwa so.
Enye me wo awaka cha me die. Entimenda.
O kunu yi mpa no wasem. Ada na o ha ade ne sa.
Mane ko kwa.
Otimi fa sa me shemi. Fa sa me shemi. Ntiwe ya wa.
Ntiwe ah some partner to partner.
Sana metie.
Na sister wo ni na me wo boy.
Huh?
Madam for.
Enu ye chi.
Pantai.
Ba wa wa le ndie.
Adoa.
Broadcast.
Lost e wafa.
Adoa.
Adoa Pantai. Ana na me boy sam hu hia wo sa.
Bemela. So jawa uni.
Sweetheart, you ever be time with you? Hey, Pantai be worry. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah, also. Hey.
Let's say, hey, I was come here, my name was. Me, I'm because you know, be able need me. Me, you are down for share gas, maybe. They said you're not crying. Yes, you. They say, yes, to share ring in the. I was sharing in the fear they may papa. And you're one more to the no, if you try to hand any better, no, that's all. The ref is any kunijina how. Ni ref you. You couldn't pray no cross wound. May say me who you feel. Boy in pen once and ye na one pan or question to sorry. That's what the Pantine and upper. You could you know only my someone no.
You would say me oh. Mam say me to someone to walk I who so I in my broadcast.
Ah, so partner.
Was in any oh boy dear.
Me do fro pantan ware pa ware ni bebu.
Was in your oh boy dear me kan try.
Me say boy no ware pantan kra ware ni bebu.
Me
na me say moya mo mark it on the wall. Mark it on the wall.
Be man no who say sa no tie.
Subai
So who say sa no tie no still now that to do.
Anya no be jai no.
Anya be anya
boy ni be jai no.
Konkonsa no.
Obi na be je na free ni. Obi di subai papa be je na free ni.
Obi wo ha o ye konkonsa say wo konkonsa ni no e bi nya na be man ni so e bi o bibi pa wo no e ma be man ni pe na asem me san ka waja ndada
pantai wo na mo bibi ben
oh so wu ba
be na de
na ma no fo na be ani ba bi e do
say jovial ana
ani ba bi e de se ba bi e de de fa nchi be ma ade bi wo ho na e de chi be ma ye bi kwa po ye ni bi
obi di konkonsa ti jovia konkonsa ye de
konkonsa we onye jovia konkonsa
akwa odi konkonsa say o ti jovia
ka na de wo
asam o ka sam na o sere hwe ye na she means it
na only mo say wo boy dear. Me ka sam
so na papa
sister so
na me ka ni kuru do ya me ka say me o ya me jini kuru na fi nse
wa da wa je o no bet we de o uti o ba da de na fi
sa o o ba da
bet we de na fa de woni mu ntie en fa so na enteni enteni me say enteni en fa so enteni
e ja su buruku wo we
yo ja enteni
Bolon. Unim sa mini fiera na kasa. Makache fiera ni so oni so bolon kasa. Sa mentias. So o de afache me. Mini fiera na kasa mi si oni so bolon kasa. But look at me eh.
Oni fiera na kasa.
Makache so oni so bolon kasa.
And I know should on no any problem. The problem then say whatever differences issues you have with Sobolo, you sort these things out with him amicably if there is a way out. Into issues be out and will be out and then solve it. I don't want to come in whilst issues and that's with him. I told you how this kind of guys how they behave, and I wouldn't want to engage him in such a manner again. And now so approach him in such a manner again because the next time many people will share me about best idea.
Ato, fetch me. Why pacho? Me pacho fetch me what?
I don't. After that, I don't have problem with you. My problem is that what is going on, Amempe. Me no any problem.
It's not like that.
But the course on Amempe.
I don't even know what to say. I spoke to the landlord to talk to Sobolo to stop misbehaving like that. What should I do? Why can't you even fight for me? It's like you're not fighting for me. Do you think I put myself in that situation? It's life. It happened. Mr. Fachemi, I'm no more with him. I'm not even staying in his room.
Mia, if you want me call Maku and Panadian, I should be fighting with him.
I'm not asking you to fight with him. I said you should fight for me.
And I said if I fight for you, it is equal. It is the same as me fighting with him.
Son, me patche say, you know, me, and I also like the way you complaining. No, me. I'm trying to fix things. It's like we mama. I don't know.
Me knew my, and don't see this thing as a complaint. I'm not complaining anything to you. I'm only telling you how things can work out if we tend to come on the same page, right? Say resolve amicably. I don't have problem with that. But
you're trying to say you break it up. Minister Bolonko severe issue. Yes, severe issue. Are there no can out there? What can the pain? What can name why clear? That is what you are saying.
Hello. Actually. Why na menene kasa? Why Sobolo? Sobolo. Jawu ye asechese. Obo issue bia. Oni benesi na nka ho asem. Nti me asese a wudi mateme buru minua no asechese. De na mayo.
Erade.
Oh, mate. Why? And that's it. Well, look at this. Asama
and so when you so bolo kasa no person or chese ma men kasa na so bolo anti se me wo ka mu won.
Asama ba ye kan asem yan resolve asem nwie o person hu se wo san wo
na so bolo no me ne wo ho biem. Are we there? I don't know. I said, "Move, somebody dictating my life, mommy, sir."
No, who is dictating your life for you?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm going. I'm going. It's okay. It's okay. So, but no matter what, but this is not right.
Yeah, Martin. So, let me talk.
I don't know what me call.
Well, look at that. Catch them and say, "Be a see and see." Now, one can some natural now, some banana can. Oh, catch them and say, "Who is dictating your life for you?" Now, man, I know what this solo guy can do. Obeko show baby nafi and someone who here net or back account some good mass. Well, look at the see and I know. Well, one can build it. Who no baby show no attack. Says and a subulu attack me and cow can build it.